Welcome to this honest and detailed review of Habitica, a unique app that gamifies your productivity by turning your tasks, habits, and goals into a fun RPG experience. If you're new to Habitica, it's essentially a combination of a task manager, habit tracker, and role-playing game. Users can create their own avatars, earn points, and even battle monsters as they complete tasks and stick to their habits. Starting off, Habitica offers a straightforward setup process. You begin by signing up or logging in via their website or mobile app. Once inside, you'll be prompted to customize your avatar, which represents you in the game world. This adds a personal touch to your productivity journey and serves as a motivational tool to keep you engaged. The dashboard is divided into key sections: habits, dailies, to-dos, and rewards. Habits are actions you want to reinforce or avoid, such as drinking more water or cutting back on junk food. Positive habits gain you points, while negative ones deduct them. Dailies are recurring tasks you aim to complete each day, like morning exercise or evening journaling. To-dos are one-time tasks with deadlines, and completing them earns you rewards and experience points. Point one of Habitica's standout features is its gamification system. As you complete tasks, you level up, collect virtual gold, and unlock gear for your avatar. You can also join or create parties with friends, participate in challenges, and battle bosses. These social and competitive elements add an extra layer of fun and accountability. The app also integrates well with various third-party tools, like Google Calendar, and offers plugins to streamline task management further. Its mobile app ensures you can stay on top of your tasks on the go, while the desktop version provides a more detailed overview of your progress. While Habitica has many strengths, it's not without flaws. For example, the interface may feel overwhelming for beginners, and the constant need to update tasks can sometimes feel like a chore. However, for those who enjoy gamification and thrive on incentives, the app provides a powerful way to stay motivated. In conclusion, Habitica combines productivity with fun, making it an excellent tool for people who want to build habits, manage tasks, and stay motivated. Whether you're an individual looking to boost your personal growth or part of a team wanting to gamify workflows, Habitica has something to offer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future content. Let's conquer those tasks together.